Another bunch of wrecks in here. God dang. It is. What a day. If I had words, I don't have any words for this because every day it takes us longer to get to our work spot. We can't work as long because we have to gotta get back to camp by D. So every day we work less and we're like getting closer to the finish line, but we're just like, it's just getting to be a lot. Just go back to camp. I don't know how guys' hands do this. Quinn's not back yet. He was at Jenkins when I last saw him. I think my happiest sound is this sound right here when I get back to camp and I'm waiting and I'm waiting. Oh, and my guy Quinn is back. Man, my heart just beats again. Howdy, 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 all you super stoked supplemental star seekers. That's pretty good. Avidly adventurous, awesomely artistic anomalies, and all of you tremendously top-notch tree trimming tough guys, and or anyone who is in the least bit interested in what happens and what happened for the rest of bottom of French Creek. Actually, anyone else who's interested in federal contracting and learning how to do trail work. In this episode, we are up against the clock down on French Creek. I'm telling you, we had such a small amount left. And most mornings I don't look this good, but this morning, feeling pretty attractive. Guess where we are? And then we gotta go back up to the top of that mountain over there. We gotta go right up there, back at the top of that one. Just got in, about hour 15 for me, because I had to carry that in. That saw there. Gave up the ghost, so I gotta haul it out tonight. And now we're headed off. Quinn is up sharpening the saw. It is a lesson in, it's just Marcus Aurelius said, even the bad is good. Here we go with some more good. We are down in a hole. I'm trying to remember without seeing the video, but I know the feeling. I have the feeling. I remember French Creek. This contract was supposed to be awarded in June, which meant we start in July and have 3 months. We didn't get started until 15th of August. I was already about a month and a half behind when we started this. So, knowing that, I was up against contract time and running out of time. It's normally not a problem to get an extension for forestry, but with this contracting officer, absolutely no way in hell she was gonna help me out in any way, shape, or form. I had threatened her certifications, so yeah, I was getting no help from her. We had 16 days to get 10 miles. I cleared those rocks anyway, but we got a little Widowmaker there. That's really cool. Man, really big too. Kept this reed out. You would never know that I did that unless I videoed that. Because no one's ever going to see that little thing there. And it looks like it was never there. So I can't tell you how many of those I've done. But you could just keep doing them. I mean, been a wreck of all wrecks. Look at this. That is crazy. Leave that there. Go find Quinn. Clear the trail. Video of the trail, what it looks like after I cut and don't clear. And the best tool is a spruce stick. I didn't need to cut this stuff. There's a saw. Man, I don't know why I'm so stressed. October 10th, 2024 was a good day for young stud Quinn and myself. We found what we were looking for. We're at the end. Yay. I might even have a beer tonight. I'll get back to camp safe. It's not too cold this morning, but I don't even know. I'm just taking advantage of the heat because it's a morale booster in the first thing in the morning. My hands are swollen. I can hardly like close them. I think we may have overdid it yesterday, the last couple 3 days. We were sitting here last night having milk and cookies. We had one more day we were gonna work. And we were just kind of looking at each other going, man, like I'm just beat up. I am beat up. And we could go down the mountain tomorrow, but I don't know. I'm gonna be a liability for sure. So I'm not trying to like toot our horn, but there ain't a lot of folks that could have done what we did down in there. And I'm not saying that the work was hard or that the time or any of the culmination of all of it, for me, you know, obviously I got this government thing over my head as well. So I'm saying that it's impossible. It's not. But I'll say that because I spend time out with humanity. Oh, look at how nice this is now. Oh, that is a pleasure to drive over. It's almost like they're not even there. Oh, that's not at all where we go. What the hell, dude? What are you going over there for? Done with that section, not all done with the whole thing, but I can't even describe the feeling of driving out of there for the last time. It was one of accomplishment and exhaustion. I don't know how to say it. It was a bit confusing, and I know that probably doesn't make much sense, but you're kind of torn in here. Like, I don't know how to say it. I guess for military guys, it's like when you come back to the States after being gone. You're kind of, I don't know how to say it. You're happy, but you're not happy. The mountains are funny. They have a way of letting you know how absolutely insignificant you are without like really pushing you over. Like I'm always on the edge. Like, and all you gotta do is look up and yeah, take a breath, and you can. The mountains just have a way. I just have a way. She puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. After a couple days of much needed rest, we headed into Camp 4, which was at the very other end, at the north end of our trail system, just up from Riggins. 35 miles to Riggins, so we got about 17, probably 20 miles to go. Not the most ideal, but we got set up. So still got to unload the cooler. This is supposed to let up right now, 5 o'clock. Yeah, we got started. Came in the night before to get camp set up, and it was raining. I was set up. Quinn was coming in later, and the rain was supposed to stop by like 6 that night, and it did. It did stop raining. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I don't even know what to say. It is, rain was supposed to stop, which it did. But take a look at this. You talk about a contractor that was getting pretty nervous about getting his contract done. This weather was not in my schedule at all. I have to go out and knock the snow off, but I have a t-shirt on, a long sleeve t-shirt, a long sleeve flannel on, a down coat, and this coat on. And I have 2-3 pairs of whatever on my bottoms. And I'm still freezing my ass off. I gotta go outside though and knock the snow off so my tent doesn't collapse. Jeez, I don't think we're gonna be able to do much on this. I don't have a snowmobile. It's not for lack of trying, I can assure you. In the next episode, we're gonna finish this Are we gonna finish this damn trail contract? In the next episode, we continue our assault on the last section of trail, Bear Peak Ridge. And yeah, it's not ideal conditions, not exactly what we had envisioned. But young stud Quinn came up to me and said, "Don't worry about it, man." He said, we'll make her. He said, someone did it the first time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. You can see the trail in here before. Some places you can find it. So right here, you can find it. Wipe out. That's about dead fast right here.